Yo guys, today I was thinking about, can I draw like a mangaka in a manga style? For that reason, that video was born. So let's start. Today I'm gonna drawing Shisui Uchiha in a manga style. First I start drawing a circle. This line help me to add the detail. This line is the middle of the circle and the other line is the top of the eyes. Now let me drawing another one to have the limit of the eye, but first this is the line of the nose, and now that is the nose, and now this is the distance of the eyes. And this is the limit of the face, and here is when the hair start. Like you see, I'm drawing. I know I did this video. Just is me drawing a normal time, in a real time. Now let me draw the neck. The clothes, but first I have to draw the clavicle. Now the clothes. If you want that I drawing some anime, just write the name of the characters that you want that I'm drawing in the next video in the comment. Now it's time to the ears. The nose. For the mouth is just a line. The distance between eyes and other eyes. Okay guys, this is the eyes of the Uchiha. I hope you are enjoying this video because I love making videos to YouTube. And now it's time to the band. Pay attention about the locker hair. First I'm drawing this silhouette to add the hair. The eyebrows. And don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. Give me a like, and in the comment write the name of the character that you want that I'm drawing in the next video. Now let me draw in the hair. Pay attention about the local hair. When I finish this drawing, start to add the inking part, and they're gonna be fast.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.